In this video, we will go over how to add a category in your Department of Criminal Justice Services account. Once logged in, you will be at your dashboard. Once logged in, to add a new category, you will need to add a Private Security Services, or PSS, Add Registration Category application. I will be continuing the one I've begun, but to add a registration category, above Request Duplicate Credential is where you will find the URL to add a category. In this page, it's going to be your name information. It's going to be your legal first name, your legal middle name, your legal last name, and your suffix. If you require a legal name change, check the box and provide one of the three documents for the DCJS to verify. If this does not apply to you, just click Next. On this page, it's your address information. Fill out all the required fields, and if your physical address is the same as your mailing, check that box, and the below fields will collapse. Once done, click Next. Here is the firearms questionnaire. If you are not adding a firearm category, just click Next. If you are, select the drop-down, choose Yes, and please make note of the text below. You can only add a firearm category for armored personnel, armed security officer courier, armed personal protection specialist, and private investigator. Here is the category selection. You will choose any category that applies to the training you've previously taken and are submitting to the DCJS. In this example, I will be choosing the unarmed security officer courier and clicking Next. On this page is your request for training waiver. If you do not qualify for a training waiver, click No. If you do, click Yes and then click Next. Here is your confirmation page. It will show you all the information you've input thus far, which is going to be your name, your mailing address, your physical address, and the categories in which you are adding to your profile. Once you've verified, scroll to the bottom, click I agree, and then click also Next. This will be the invoice page. It will show you the amount of the category fees that you will be adding, and it will also show you the total due. It is very important, if your employer is paying for this invoice, that you input their DCJS ID number. In this particular example, we are using 11-14895, and that is for Blue Raven Intelligence. Once input, click Next. On this page is your receipt. Here you will see the license type that you've added, as well as your name and your DCJS 99 number. Your employer will be notified once the payment has been made, and you will receive an email as well. This is the end of the tutorial. You may return to your profile or log out.